Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. This time I'd like to explain about subject-verb agreement after certain words. Ada beberapa kata dalam bahasa Inggris yang secara grammar berfungsi sebagai bentuk tunggal atau singular, walaupun secara makna memiliki arti jamak atau plural. Perhatikan kalimat berikut. Everybody are going to the theater. Semua orang pergi ke bioskop. Meskipun kata everybody bermakna jamak atau plural, bermakna semua orang, dalam tata bahasa di bahasa Inggris, kata everybody tergolong kata singular yang membutuhkan kata kerja tunggal atau singular verb. So, the plural verb are going should be changed to the singular verb is going. Look at these words. They are grammatically singular words that have plural meaning. Anybody, anyone, anything. Everybody, everyone, everything. Nobody, no one, nothing. Somebody, someone, something. Jadi, jika menemukan kata-kata ini di dalam suatu kalimat di tes TOEFL dan fungsinya adalah sebagai subjek, pastikan jika subjek tersebut memiliki verb yang sesuai, yaitu singular verb. Furthermore, perlu diingat bahwa jika menemukan kata each atau every dalam suatu kalimat, pastikan kata benda atau noun yang mengikutinya adalah singular noun atau kata benda tunggal. Misalnya, each student, bukan each students. Every day, bukan every days. Look at this example. This example shows how subject-verb agreement after certain words could be tested in the written expression section of the TOEFL test. Each number in a binary system are formed from only two symbols. In this example, option A is correct. System is singular. So the use of a in this part is appropriate. Option C is correct. B must be followed by verb 3, as there is BR and the use of past participle form is correct. Option D is correct too. Symbols is plural, so it matches with the option D only 2. Option B is wrong. There is a word each at the beginning of the sentence, and it indicates singular noun. Therefore, to make this sentence correct, BR should be replaced by is. Now let's practice. Look at the sentence. Each of the doctors in the building need to have a separate reception area. What do you think? Kira-kira pilihan jawaban yang mana yang salah? Apakah A. Doctors, B. Need, C. Have, atau D. A separate? Yes, you are right. Yang tidak tepat di dalam kalimat ini adalah B. need. Penggunaan kata doctors di kalimat ini benar. Kata each harus diikuti dengan singular noun. Contohnya each day, bukan each days. Tapi jika each of the bisa diikuti dengan plural noun. Each of the doctors bermakna setiap dokter dari semua dokter yang ada. So, option A is correct. Option C is okay. It is good. No need to be changed. Kata to should be followed by verb 1 dan have adalah verb 1. Jadi option C is correct. Option D is also correct. Look at the word area. It is singular. Jadi penggunaan a sangatlah tepat karena mendeskripsikan suatu kata benda tunggal. Why does option B is wrong? Kata each of the doctors bermakna setiap dokter. Setiap berarti satu atau singular. Jika subjek dalam suatu kalimat bentuknya singular, maka verb yang mengikutinya juga harus singular. Untuk membuat kalimat ini menjadi benar, kata need harus diubah menjadi needs. Let's practice again. Look at this sentence. Anybody who goes to the top of the Empire State Building are impressed with the view. Which one is wrong? Option A, who? Option B, goes? Option C, building? Or option D, are impressed? Yes, you are totally right. The one that needs to be revised is option D. This is the explanation. The use of the word who is appropriate as it refers to anybody, which is human. So option A is correct. Anybody has plural meaning, but it is grammatically singular word. So option B is correct as well, as the use of the word goes is for singular word, anybody. Option C is a noun. It is a singular noun and it matches with the word top, which means singular. Option D is the one that needs to be changed in order to make the sentence correct. The verb are impressed is for plural subject. As the subject in the sentence is anybody and it is singular, are impressed should be changed to is impressed. Okay, thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.